To this BIZZTALK. Okay, what I have in mind to share with you is strategy for strategy for ROYALQ. This channel is with responsibility for sharing with you where you can money, where you can generate income. For the meantime, we have been able to discover that you can make money through cryptocurrency. But before you will be able to make money in cryptocurrency, you must know all the requirements. You must have all the requirements, which includes enough capital, the right indicator, the right platform, the right coin to buy, and the rest. And for that reason, there is a particular robot that can do that on your behalf, which you might have heard of, or if you are still new, or maybe you are still contemplating maybe to start or not. I have the full confidence to tell you that you can make money with ROYALQ cryptocurrency trading robots. Okay, and there are some strategy. Maybe you are already into ROYALQ trading and you don't know how to enhance your profit, how to enhance your trading robots to make more profit for you. So I believe this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you some strategy whereby it can enhance your robot to make more money for you on your daily trading activities. Okay, so but before I go deep into this video, I would like to tell you that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, and if after this video you found it to be very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. All right, if you have any question concerning this video, just drop your messages, your questions in the comment section of this video. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay, what we are considering is the best strategy for ROYALQ cryptocurrency trading robots. So without taking much of our time, let me take you directly to the ROYALQ robot. And for those of you that are yet to download the ROYALQ robot, so let me show you how it looks like. This is ROYALQ robot icon. This is how it looks like. So just go to Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using, and download it right now. And after you have downloaded it, so you are going to need $120 to activate it. I can tell you that it's really worth it. If this bot is sold for $200, if the activation is for $200 or more, it's really worth it because of how efficient it is in trading cryptocurrency. So you are going to use $120 to activate it, and you are going to need maybe like 5 to 10 or more just for the trading fee. So that one, it has no particular amount, and you will need enough capital to trade and for you to be making money on daily basis. I can assure you that this bot is capable of giving you 20% of your capital on daily basis, and I'm going to show you how it is working with some of the proof here. Okay, so let me quickly log into my ROYALQ bot now. Okay, sorry. All right, so this is ROYALQ robot. So you win after you have open it, you are going to activate it, you are going to bind it with your Binance account. I shouldn't forget that, because it works with your Binance account. ROYALQ is not holding your capital, so you can see that it is 100% safe. Your capital is in your Binance exchange account or your UOB account, so you are not depositing in this platform, in this ROYALQ bot, but the money that you have to deposit here is just for activation and the money that will cover for the gas fee. So let me show you. So it will cover for the gas fee. You can see here in the assets I have 18.133, and it will be used for the fuel, that is for the transaction fee, of your trading activities on the bot. So that is the money that will be hold on to on this ROYALQ robot, but your capital is still in your Binance account. Let me show you my Binance account for you to know that my capital is not on my ROYALQ account. It's not some ROYALQ bot account. So your capital is on secured in your Binance, and you are want to ensure that Binance account is secure. So don't share your login and your username with any other problem. Okay, so your capital is in your ROYALQ, is in your Binance account. Okay, so now let me show you how the strategy works. So after you have deposited in the Binance account, they're going to activate your robot with $120, as I said earlier. So you are going to activate it with $120 and going to deposit $20 just to cover for the gas fee here. So after that, you are good to go. You can see it is very efficient. Let me show you what I made in today. Let me show you my my profit for today so far. Let me show you here. So I just want to tell you that this strategy that I'm about to share with you, it is very, very effective, provided you have enough capital there. Okay, so you can see that in today, today is 24th of November 2021, 24th, as you can see here. So 24th of November 2021, and you can see the profit that I've made so far. This is 7.4104 USDT, 7.4104 USDT, and it's still counting. So you can see that the strategy is very effective. And how much is my total capital? You can see what I have less here. The rest is just 22.18. that is what I have less in my Binance account. Though this particular coin that is trading currently, it's worth $88. So I'm using let's say approximately $100 for the capital of this, but you can see that it's still limited. But you have enough capital, then you can earn more. You can earn more with these robots. Okay, so now let me show you how to get it done. So for now, I'm trading Mana coin. So let me show you how to go about the settings. So you click on mine. You can set your own to professional edition. You click on agree, start, and you tick all these. For the first question, it is B. The second question is C, and the third question is also B. Then you submit. All right. So let me show you the settings in my Mana. In my Mana trading. Okay, so let me just show you the settings here. You click on, so let me go back. You click on the particular coin that you want to trade. For instance, you click on Mana. After you have clicked on Mana, you click on trade setting here. Click on trade setting. As you can see, you click on trade setting here. So when you click on trade setting, then this is how it goes. The first one we see here is first buy in amount. That one is automatically set to 10 USDT. But if you have enough capital, you can increase this to any amount. For instance, if you have like $200 as your capital, you can set it to 20. You can set it to 20 USDT. Okay, now the margin limit should be set to 10. So initially it will be in 7. You just set it to 10, and all position take profit, it should be in 1.3. Then all position take profit back, initially it will be in 0.3. so just set it to 0.3. now the margin configuration, so first call, second call till 10th call should be in 1%, and number of times should also be in 1. But initially it will be it will be in varying percentage. Okay, so just make sure that you set everything to 1. So let me go to other, let me save this first. So let me go to another coin. It's because this one is currently trading, so let me go to another coin to show you. For instance, this inch coin now. So trade setting, so you set it to 10 USDT, open position doubled. You should close this. Then you can see that margin call limits you set to 10. You set it to 10. Then all position take profit 1.3%. All position take profit callback should be in 0.1%. 0.1. The duration, can see first call is every day should be set to 1, number of times 1. Second call is 1, number of times also 1. Third call, instead of 4.5 you set it to 1. Everything here should be in 1, and times should be 1 as well because of your capital. Then everything just set to 1, times number of times 1. 6 call once 1. Then 7th call 1 times, not 128 but 1 time. 8th call is also 1, and number of times is 1. 9th call is 1, times is also 1, and 10th call is 1, while times is also 1. So this is how the margin configuration goes. So go back. Oh, sorry, I didn't confirm. I didn't confirm. Sorry. 1 1 1 1 1 16 1, and this one is 1, while this is also 1. Set everything to 1. Set everything to 1, and after that you confirm it. You confirm it. So just check the margin configuration. You can see that it is now set to 1. You confirm it. So then the distributed take profit allocation. So the 5 supposition, 6 supposition, 7 supposition should be in 1.3, while the rest should be in 2%, 2%, 2%, 2% also, 2%, and you confirm. So after you have confirmed, then buy in callback should also be in 0.5%. You can leave that at 0.5%. Supposition take profit callback should be left there 0.3%. Then you save. After you have saved, then you come here to strategy mode. It is very, very important. Come to strategy mode here. So you click on strategy mode and you set it to sub-bin real-time settlement. Sub-bin mode real-time settlement. The first one is old warehouse mode. Second one is sub-bin mode. The third one is sub-bin mode real-time settlement, and you confirm. So after you have confirmed that, then you can click on start. You can click on start. You click on start here. Click on start and it starts trading, but I'm not trading this for now because of I have a current trade, so I'm not starting this just for the sake of this video. Then you click on start. That is how to go about it. So it is a very simple strategy, and you are going to earn more with this strategy. You surely earn more with this strategy. Don't bother about seeing red here. Don't bother about seeing this red, but I'm assuring you that you are going to make more money than that strategy that I've been using before. You can choose this strategy. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. And once again, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is known for financial education and not advice. So if you feel free to watch any of the videos on this channel, and before you jump into it, you are also expected to do your own due diligence findings, and if you should consider it to be something that you can venture into, then you should know that you are responsible for your action. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, feel free to contact me on just send your messages to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you my WhatsApp contact. Just check the description box of this video for that, and also click on the notification bell for more details. Subscribe to this channel, is very, very important, and share with your friends and family. Alright, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now.